Domination.
Yeah, mate, I feel a bit dominish.
Domination.
Oh, we're winning.
Capture the objectives.
Charging EMP!
Losing B.
Down.
Didn't even change my fucking score.
Oh, that killed me.
UAV on standby.
I've already got my score straight.
RCXD ready for deployment. Friendly hunter-killer drone deployed. Friendly UAV inbound. Friendly RCXD inbound.
Dude, I'm vaping so far. I'm 8-0. Well, I'm 9-1. What a start.
Hey, bitch tits.
Oh, did you try to go on opposite team?
Yeah, I am.
Oh yeah, you are.
I had to change my score streak.
Oh yeah.
What the fuck?
Kill confirmed. Transitioning.
Be advised, hostile lightning strike inbound.
Oh, it's ace.
Oh well, pugs. Oh, Rambo!
Friendly UAV inbound. Losing Charlie.
Move it!
Losing Bravo.
What are you using?
Concussion out!
You're using a little SMG.
Yeah, bro. I don't need a fucking big fucking
Advised, hostile UAV incoming.
LMG.
What's wrong with a big LMG?
That's confirmed.
Nothing, you fucking scum, right?
Losing Bravo.
Oh, fucking lagging.
Objective almost
We're all
complete. Don't
three
quit
bars.
now.
Yeah, I'm starting to lag now.
Oh, it's fucking dreadful.
Concussion out!
Oh, wow!
Losing C.
Now!
Securing A. Enemy has C. A secure.
Oh, he stole my kill!
Hostile UAV above. Check your timeline. Stealth chopper inbound.
We've won this.
Yeah, of course you have.
All thanks to me.
I can't even run forward, I'm lagging that much, I'm running backwards.
UAV inbound.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
I won that match all thanks to me and my terrific start.
Yeah, you did it.
Mate, I was 8-0.
They were winning before you even got in.
Yeah, but you know, I've boosted up the confidence and the
Big
men.
win, job done.
You didn't capture a base, you didn't do jack. That other guy won for their team, Ace Traps, whatever.
Mate,
All captures.
I was holding down B.
Oh, you weren't doing shit.
Oh, mate. Fuck off, I was holding. It says we're still in this. It says you're in the party, which means you're gonna be on my side.
How do you get to that when I was on the opposite team last game?
Well, for starters, your name's in blue writing.
Well, your name's not in blue writing on my screen.
Well, yours is on blue on my screen.
Because your screen sucks dick.
No, it doesn't. Probably means we're in a party. That's probably why. I'm gonna go random.
Yeah, that's it. But I went.
Oh.
Red.
Yeah, see, we're on the same team.
Yeah, it won't be constantly.
See? Same teams again. And again. And again. Oh, I think I might go sniper on this Rambo.
Domination.
Get the old silence ballista out.
Don't lie, bitch tits.
Capture the objective.
Okay, see, look.
Don't know what you're talking about.
C.
Silencer, mate. Silence for the win.
Charlie lockdown.
Don't know what you're talking
Wow, they're not even going through this alleyway.
Topping off.
Oh wow, they actually went for it.
البصمة هناك.
Losing Charlie.
Oh my god, are you serious?
Oh wow. Fuck it, just go A.
Securing Bravo.
What? I stopped shooting!
Securing A. Securing B.
Yeah, I had no chance.
Fuck off!
B locked down. We've taken control. Losing C. Securing Alpha. Losing B.
Are you serious?
Alpha. We lost B.
Oh wow.
I'm a fucking grenade from a mile away.
UAV above.
Fucking bullshit.
I'll hold the fort down here.
How did you know I was there?
Have they got UAV up?
Yeah, but I got ghost on.
Oh, true. I haven't.
This cunt just turned around and looked at me like he knew where I was.
Another hostile UAV.
ستكون على ما يرام.
Losing C. Losing C.
What?
UAV awaiting orders.
That's a fucking mate. Whoa!
Friendly
I could get some raw to death.
Losing C. RCXD inbound. We're being dominated. Take those positions. Alpha locked down.
I'm not sure if I should cap C or not. There's no one near me.
Hostile UAV above. Hunter-killer drone on standby.
Fucking Jesus fucking Christ.
Securing Charlie. Losing A. C secure. UAV on standby.
Oh,
RCXD ready for deployment.
Kill drone.
Enemy took Alpha.
What?
Friendly UAV inbound. Hunter-killer drone ready for deployment. Friendly RCXD inbound. Hunter-killer drone deployed. Be advised, hostile UAV incoming.
Oh, I'm done. Getting fucking bullshit this.
Oh, that sucks. Oh, internet connection interrupted.
Fucking gunfights, I should win the fucking 100%.
Securing Alpha. The fight is close. Tip the scales. Securing A. UAV awaiting orders. RCXD ready for launch. Hunter-killer drone ready for deployment.
I'm done! I am fucking done!
Oh, I was on a 10 kill streak.
We lost that round, but it's not over yet.
I've
Stop
got a
them.
quick zoom kill, Rambo. You would have been pleased with it.
Sniper, get down! Get moving!
Halftime. Domination. Secure the objective. Friendly UAV inbound. Hostile care package inbound. RCXD inbound. A
Doubles.
secure. Enemy has Charlie. Securing B. Friendly hunter-killer drone deployed. Be advised, hostile RC.
Why am I getting bullshit deaths? I'm dying from fucking bullshit stuff. Fuck off, dog. Oh, there's a cunt fucking camping around that corner. What a little bitch.
Oh yeah, I see him.
Losing Bravo.
There's also more camping in that little room, too. Right, shield coming. They're coming through the alleyway.
Be advised, hostile UAV incoming. Losing A.
Oh, I'm coming soon.
Enemy has A.
Oh, getting fucking wrecked.
Do you have the
Securing
A4 with silencer?
Yeah, I do now.
Yeah, I just picked up your weapon.
Securing Alpha. Securing Alpha.
Whatever. Watching this.
Hostile UAV above. UAV on standby.
Fucking dumb, bro. I can't get a fucking kill.
Friendly UAV inbound.
Of course that would happen!
Hunter-killer drone ready for deployment. Friendly hunter-killer
Mate,
drone
I've got
deployed.
C covered, but I'm gonna need
Enemy has
backup.
Alpha.
Oh, no, never mind.
RCXD inbound.
Oh, where we winning?
Coming left side to you. There's a few camping there, so
Oh, fuck me. Calling a fucking few.
We're being dominated.
one's
Take those
camping behind the
positions.
crate, so I'll
Securing
keep an eye on
Alpha.
Oh my god, how did he kill me so fucking quick?
Oh, that's my Sam.
Fuck!
Hostile UAV above. Hostile lightning strike inbound. Be advised.
Oh, I'm about to back out.
Oh, he's
We're losing
camping in
everything
his
we
seat
fought for.
behind a crate. Can't get to him.
Securing B.
Fucking doubles on the C4. I got him. Of course he's got a sentry there.
It's too close. Push back.
Owen's not bad, just for
Can't
camping.
confirm.
28 to 9.
We must avenge this defeat.
Five defense and 2 caps.